Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to order an BMO debit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to order a new BMO debit card, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your BMO application and be sure to be logged in with your BMO credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the accounts option at the bottom of your screen, and then what you need to do is tap on the account link to your debit card from your bank accounts. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is just simply scroll down until you find the option that says card services, and if not there, simply tap on settings, and there you'll find a card services option. Simply tap on that, and then you'll find an option that says request or replacement, or simply tap on repost or lost or stolen. Then simply select the reason like lost, stolen, damaged, or just a new card, and then once all that's done, all you gotta do is confirm your address and submit. You can also order by phone as well by calling the BMO customer service number at 1-877-225-5266 for Canadian citizens, and verify your identity with your account info and personal details, and request a new debit card to be mailed to your address. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.